I hate to rain on everybody's parade, but it's really existentially dangerous. It could wipe us out.
Hmm.
It's a tool unlike any we've ever had before. And
Yeah.
like every tool, before we make it safe, we burn ourselves with it multiple times. Trouble with AI, it's not like a bomb. It's a really, really advanced cognitive architecture that's, quite a few years down the road, something that can outsmart us.
Hmm.
Isn't like a bomb that goes off and destroys things and you clean it up. It's like something that keeps living. As
Yeah.
as Elon Musk said, try to imagine an immortal dictator, something that lives forever, spreads around the world and never goes away.
Yeah.
Well, if we don't get it right, if we don't make it friendly to us and to value human life, then that's what it will be.
Yeah. We only have one chance with this. It's different.
That's right.
Man.
As Stephen, when I got into this, there were about four people talking about it. I
Uh-huh.
used to say you could put everybody that was talking about it into a phone booth, and then students say, "Well, what's a phone booth?" But Elon Musk said we're summoning the demon. Um, we have one chance to get it right. Stephen Hawking said probably the most profound thing. He said, in the short term, the problem is who controls the AI. In the long term, the problem is can the AI be controlled?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And so
Interesting.
in the short term, we have problems like battlefield robots, autonomous drones that are being developed right now with your tax dollars. And these
Right.
are things that kill humans without humans in the loop. We're going to take ourselves to another genocide with that technology if we don't stop it.
Hmm.
And that's happening right now. We've seen AI be complicit in gigantic privacy breaches like the whole Cambridge Analytica fiasco.
Hmm.
You can't steal and manipulate the data of 70 million Facebook users without really advanced AI.
Oh.
And you can't influence the election as they probably did without really advanced AI.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.